The first step is to visit ryanoscribner.com/Cash App, which is linked up down below to get started. And this will work whether you are on Apple or Android. Now this is going to be my referral link, so you may get a reward bonus in the process, and I may as well. So once you click on that link or enter that URL, it's going to bring you to this page here where you're going to install Cash App. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the blue Get button at this point, and then go ahead and double click here to install. Once the app is fully installed, go ahead and click on the blue Open button, and this is going to bring you over to the official Cash App. From here, you're going to have to either enter your phone or email, so depending on which one you want to use to log in, go ahead and do either one. And now it's going to have you confirm the code that was just sent to your phone number, and then you're going to click on the green Next button once again after that. At this point, Cash App is going to prompt you to link your bank account. Now, if you want, you can skip this step for now, but we're going to go ahead and do it as it's super important to do this to have the full functionality of the Cash App itself. Once you type that all in, you're going to click on the green Link Card button, and it's going to start the process of linking your bank account. And now it's going to ask you for your full legal name, and you will also get text alerts through this process if you signed up with your phone number about your bank account being linked to your new Cash App account. Once you enter your name, which is exactly how it's spelled on your government ID, you're going to click on Next once again, and now you have to enter your date of birth. At this point, you can click on Next once again, and it's going to ask you to choose the cash tag. Now this is essentially your username for Cash App, and it's something other people are going to use when they are looking to locate your actual profile to send or request money. So if you're a business, you might use your business name, but for an individual, you can either use something that relates to your name or just something memorable that you can send to other people. But just keep in mind, you do have to send this to people, so don't do anything super embarrassing or anything like that. So in this case, I went with the username rscrib1, and I will forewarn you that there is a massive user base for Cash App, so it is pretty difficult to find the exact match that you're looking for. But as you're typing it in here, it's going to show you what is and isn't available. So rscrib wasn't, but putting the one on makes that available for me. And now we're going to click on the green Next button. At this point, you're going to have to choose a PIN here as a backup for Face ID, so this won't be the same as the lock screen PIN on your phone. This is going to be separate. Think of this like a debit card PIN, for example, where you want to remember this and keep it safe, and you don't want to store this information anywhere that someone could find it, as they could then utilize your account to send money, for example. So go ahead and enter a PIN now and store this somewhere safely. At this point, you have to confirm the PIN that you just entered, so go ahead and do that. At this point, it gives us information here about the Cash App card. So if you do plan on using Cash App's other features for managing your money, such as spending money with the Cash App card, you can click on Next to begin that sign up process. For this video, we're not going to get into the Cash App card just because it's going to be above and beyond the scope of the basics. But if you do want to see more about that, leave me a comment down below. We're going to click on Skip for now. And now it's going to ask us about syncing contacts to find them on Cash App. I'm going to click on Not Now, but if you do plan on sending money to your friends and family already in your contacts, you can sync your contacts and it will automatically populate anybody who is in your phone that already has a Cash App. But for now, I'm going to click on Not Now. So here we are on the home screen of Cash App after we've created our account.